Hello everyone. I have a question here which belongs to area of squares, I can say. In an adjoining figure, ABCD is a square grassy lawn of area 729 meters square. A path of uniform width runs all around it. If the area of the path is 295 meters square, find the length of the boundary of the square field enclosing the lawn and the path. Second one is the width of the path. Now you can see in the figure ABCD is a inner grassy land. I'm just going to shade it so that we understand it properly. Okay, this is a grassy land which is already given and named in the textbook also. Now there is a path which is running around this grassy lawn which is having an equal width on the sides. Now for our convenience I have named it as PQRS. Now area of ABCD is a square we have already been given. Area of ABCD is equal to 729 meters square is what is given. Now if I have to find AB, what do I have to do? Area of square is what? Is equal to A square, we can write it as. Okay, area of square which? Area of the square is given 729 is equal to A square. Then what is A? If you find the square root of 729, you are going to get, how much you are going to get? Have you found? 729, you can find here 3 2s are 3 4s are 3 3s are again 3 3 9s are 3 3s are 9 3 1s are 3. You have 1 2 3 4 5 6, that means 3 3s are 9 9 3s are 27. So the square root of 729 is 27. So what is it? Therefore side AB is equal to 27 meter. Okay, so what did we do? ABCD is a square, it's already given in the question, so its area is also given. With the help of area of square formula, I tried to find out one side or edge of the square, which seems to be 27 meters. Now we have been asked in the first sub question as what is the length of the boundary of the square field enclosing the lawn and the path. Means what? It is, see, this is also boundary for this path, but it is an inner boundary. If it has to include this garden as well as the path, then what is the boundary? PQRS is the boundary. Now if I have to find out what is the perimeter or the length of the boundary is what? I should know what is PQ. Then I can multiply it 4 times. Why? Because it's already given that inner this one grassland is a square and then the width is equal both sides. Means what? The resulting outside PQRS boundary is also a square. Now let's look into, means what? I should know the area of PQRS, hence I can find the side PQ and then find the perimeter. Now PQ is equal to you have PQ is equal to how much we have to find, and then we have to multiply it by 4 times PQ, which is going to be boundary. For this I have to find for this I have to find the length PQ. How will we find length PQ? I told you you should be knowing the area of PQRS. Now area PQRS is nothing but area ABCD plus area path. Now these two are already given. Area ABCD is 729 and area of path is 295. Okay, adding which you are going to get 1024. Now when you find the square root of this 1024, let's begin quickly. 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 2s are again 2 2 2s are 4 2 5s are 10 2 6s are 12 again 2 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 8s are 2 6s are 2 4s are. Actually by this time you should know that still 5 more 2s are coming because it is 32. Okay, 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are and 2 1s are. So if you see what should be the square root of this one, PQRS is this much. Okay, area of PQRS, if I have to write, what can be the formula? Area of PQRS is a square. Okay, now what is one of the side? A square. If at all I say a will be one of the side, a will be what? Square root of 1024. Now square root of 1024 is going to be how much? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 32 meter. What is this A? A is nothing but one side of PQRS. Now you can compare it to anything. Okay, so I am taking as side of PQRS. Okay, therefore PQ is equal to 32 meter. Now if PQ is 32 meter, hope you can see till the end, PQRS is 32 meter. Now I am going to find the perimeter of PQRS, which is going to be the boundary. Therefore boundary enclosing what? Enclosing the lawn and the path. Lawn and the path is nothing but what? Perimeter PQRS. So how do you find perimeter of PQRS? 4 times PQ, that is equal to 4 times 32. How much do you get? Here you have, this is going to be 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 128 meter. So PQ, QR, RS, SP, which is enclosing the grassy land as well as the path, has a perimeter of 128 meter. Now the second part of the question says width of the path. So second part is width of the path. Now try to listen to me carefully here. Width of the path means this height or this side, whatever you would like to say. Okay, now it is already given in the question that it is equal on all the sides, correct? Whatever is the distance, this has to be here, has to be here, has to be here. Okay, if it is so, how are we going to get the width? Now listen to me carefully. The outer edge is PQ. Okay, if I subtract AB, I'll be getting this distance as well as this distance, minus AB. Now if I divide these two distances by 2, I should be getting the width. Listen to me carefully again. Outer edge minus inner edge divided by 2. What does this mean? If I subtract PQ minus AB, I will get this distance plus this distance. If I divide that by 2, I will get this distance which I am supposed to find out. So I wrote PQ minus AB upon 2. Now PQ is how much we have got it as? 32 minus how much is AB? 27 upon 2. Now how much do you get here? 5 by 2. That means 2.5 meter is the width of the path. Therefore, answer statement boundary is 128 meters and width of the path is 2.5 meters. That's it. If you have any doubts over here, you can post your question. I will try to answer them. Try to indicate the time at what point you have the question. Thank you so much.